service. When you are tired, like now, for example, as you did a lot of service to others today, and you don't push yourself to write or read, and you go to sleep. Keeping the balance of service to you and others is service to God, to self, and in a way service to both. Go to sleep. I love you. You are so wonderful and magnificent. That's it, go to sleep. Sweet dreams. Hi, thank you for being here on this path to free love and love free. I wanted to let you know that if you want me to record a video on a specific topic, you can drop me a question in the comments down below or via email. You will find the email in the description of the videos. I see you.